Krista here, back with another Do It From Home program. So today I'm going to show you how to make reusable cleaning wipes using some materials you probably have at your house. So for this we'll just need water, regular rubbing alcohol, Dawn's soap, essential oils if you have it, clean washcloths, and a container to store them in, with a lid preferably. So for my practice run I use a nice mason jar and I kind of liked how it came out, so I suggest using a glass jar. So for this, you just need to combine all of these ingredients into a bowl or some kind of container. So I have my container here, and into this we're going to put 3 cups of water. It can be distilled or tap, it doesn't really make a difference. So that's 2 cups, and then 1 more cup. Okay, and then with that, we're going to put in 3/4 cup of 70% rubbing alcohol. Alright, and then we need 6 teaspoons of Dawn soap. I couldn't find any recipe that didn't use Dawn soap, so I think that's kind of a requirement here. So we'll throw in 6 teaspoons. Alright, and just leave that in there so I can mix with it later. And then if you're using it, you want to use some kind of essential oil for a nice smell. It's not required, but you can if you have it. So I think I'm going to go for a classic lemon scent here. And you want to use about 10 drops, give or take. Alright, and then we're just going to give that a nice little mix. And you just kind of want to mix it up so that everything is combined and you don't see any soap just kind of hanging around. And it might get a little bubbly too, and that's okay. All set with that, so put that aside for a second, and then you're going to get your container and then your washcloths. So just make sure that they're clean, and you can cut them to whatever size you want to use. I'm just going to leave them as they are, but it's up to you, totally your own preference. And then I'm just going to kind of roll them, kind of how those disinfecting wipes are in the containers when you buy them in the store. So let me just do that, and I can fit more in here, but I only have these 2 left, so I'm going to do that. And then once you're all ready, you just pour the solution over your washcloths until they're pretty much all covered up. And then the container isn't overflowing. If you have more in here, it'll be a little bit fuller here, but other than that, I'm just going to throw on your top. Give it a little shake just to kind of get everything all wet. And you're all set. So once you use your wipes, you can just give them a wash in the washing machine and then remake or reuse your solution. So if you're in need of some reusable cleaning wipes and you can't find them at your local store, why not try to make them your own? And they are reusable, so it's kind of a nice bonus. So let us know how you made out, and as always, check out our website at pouklib.org for more resources to keep you busy. Bye!